Negligence, a breach of the duty of care. Proximate cause of injury, damage is there. Duty only owed to a foreseeable plaintiff. Reasonably prudent person, that's a standard, no myth. Objective standard, not what you thought was fine. Would reasonable person act the same this time? Landowners owe invitees and licensees too. Warn of danger, clean it up, make it safe, that's true. Duty breach, causation, damages, that's the four. Foreseeable plaintiff, that's what duty's for. Actual cause is but for, simple and plain. Proximate cause means foreseeable pain. Compensatory makes you whole, that's the aim. Punitive punishes gross or intentional blame. Commercial spots must use reasonable care. Keep the floors clear of objects that shouldn't be there. Transitory dangers, foreseeable and known. Failure to meet the duty means breach has grown. Actual cause before the act, no harm occurs. Proximate cause, what a reasonable person infers. Was it foreseeable that this act would lead to the injury cause? That's the causation need. Duty breach, causation, damages, that's the four. Foreseeable plaintiff, that's what duty's for. Actual cause is what for, simple and plain. Proximate cause means foreseeable pain. Compensatory makes you whole, that's an end. Punitive punishes gross or intentional pain. Supersetting cause breaks the chain of liability. Acts of God, crimes, intentional torts, unforeseeability. Original tort faces off the hook. That's the rule when the new act's unforeseeable. That's the two, but intervening causes keep the liability alive. Foreseeable the start, no matter time that's passed by. Doesn't matter if it's later days or even years, it beats foreseeable.